Here is the past radar conditions. Past radar, sorry. Conditions. Heavy little clump moving through, kind of like in between North Okanagan and South Thompson there. We'll be heading out in just a bit here. I gotta get this done. And then another thing. There's that. And then the 4 o'clock update, just this section here. So freezing rain possible overnight with snow beginning late this evening. Yeah. Snowfall 5 to 10 centimeters. Yep. And then tomorrow, snow ending in the morning, then a 6% chance of rain showers or flurries, with risk of freezing rain in the morning, and snow levels rising to 600 meters in the morning. Yeah. And then tomorrow, 6% chance of rain showers or flurries early in the evening, with periods of rain beginning in the evening, with snow levels rising to 800 meters overnight. And we'll see how that goes. And on that note, I'll see you guys outside in just a bit. It's barely even sticky in areas. But yeah, we're now staying in the snow for the rest of the night. It's about a good maybe centimeter of like half a centimeter or so of slush and snow. Oh, Jesus. Particular where I walk here, I'm going to try to keep this untouched. Use that as a measurement confirmation, since it's really just started sticking everywhere at a similar time. Yeah, it's a very light snow now. It was steady for a bit, and then obviously I kind of had to finish some forecasting. What I showed you guys before inside was probably about as heavy as it got. That just lasted for a little while and then it, well, stopped and lightened up here. But it seems like this is going to be what we get for the rest of the night. Wet snow. As long as we stay under a continuous stream of precip, which is expected to be for at least till 5 a.m. anyways. But this stuff's horrible. I mean, this stuff's, yeah, going to be horrible. But the roads, like the actual, like, cleaned up road should be fine. Considering the fact that, well, they've been cleaned and it's melted and all that. So it's not going to get below freezing tonight, that's for sure. We may get close to it. I mean, it's 0.3 at the airport. I don't know what it is here. It's probably like point something, but definitely not rounded to 0 degrees like it is at the airport. Yeah, it's really lightened up here. I'm going to get some measurements in now, so that way I don't have to worry about fucking, you know, compression of the snow and all that, you know. That way I can get a good gauge as to the change in snow and all that. I highly expect this to pick up in a little while here. But as far as I'm concerned, the rest of the nights is going to be this. There's no turning back now until this afternoon. Until later in the morning. Tomorrow morning or this afternoon. Or in the afternoon, sorry. Okay. Turn around, get my ruler, hit back out, get some measurements. Oh my god. This is just fucking pure ass slush. Man, we went from like the driest, like, we went from like 20, 30 to 1 fucking snow to like fucking tenfold of it. 10 to like divide that by like 10. 30, sorry. 20, 30. Oh, Jesus. It's just fucking slush. It's just fucking disgusting. This is the shit I hate. Like, I don't give a fuck. This stuff is the worst. Change my fucking mind. Would I rather have dry snow, fluffy snow, or wet snow? Considering I drive now, I've learned that, you know what? Dry snow has its moments if it's not treated properly. I totally agree with, but overall, fucking wet snow takes the cake. It's just the worst. Especially considering if it freezes, which is possible later on, but chances are it won't. I mean, later on in the week maybe. Anyways, let's go get my ruler here. Oh, take my thing off here. And then I guess a future update here, when it comes to when I'm driving, there won't be any need for my camera anymore. When I order myself a nice little dash cam, give it a trial, see how that goes, and go from there. So I'll just say that now. Let's see how much wet snow we have. What, about half a centimeter? Seems a fair assessment. I was going to say estimate, but that's not. Then the garbage bin here, or just the bin. I mean, I highly expect it would be the same thing. Other than being maybe a 0.1 higher, it's pretty much the same. Well, I should backtrack that. Not 0.1 higher, but 0.1 closer. Like, this is like proper, like right at half an inch here. Back over there was 0.4-ish. But again, pretty much. There's gonna be little slight variations from area to area, so. We got one more area here, and that's right here. Literally anywhere here. So it's all melting. Half a centimeter. Very, very obvious. It's very good. Couldn't be much easier than that. Couldn't be much easier than that. Means like I don't have to do multiple areas. I don't have to do like double checks of areas. Cough, cough, my makeshift snowboard. It's like the flakes are getting bigger here. Maybe trying to pick up here. See that guy down there or not? I'm gonna start turning around here. I don't feel like this guy's in the right state of mind, I guess you would say. That I don't trust. That's why I hate being out, even just in my own neighborhood and stuff. It's just, I don't like it. I've had moments where, I don't know, it's a while ago, where I accidentally shined my light, not even at a guy, but when I was checking wind damage down the temple there, and there was some guy there walking down the street. I didn't even point the light to the guy, and he was like, "What are you doing?" or whatever the fuck. And I was like, "Fuck that." And he was like right behind me too, so I could have been just clobbered if that was a bit of a stupid move, but I didn't really want to interact with the guy, so I just kept walking since I was so close to home anyways. I caught that on video, like, I kind of stopped the video right as soon as he said that, so. I don't fucking remember which day it was. Oh, shit. Oh my god, I keep trying to fucking fall. We're gonna go wait and see. I'm gonna wait until he crosses by the street back there, and then I'll go. I'll just stand here. It's just all slush here anyways. It's a very steady snow. Light to steady, my apologies. I don't know where he is. I just watching how he was walking. I don't know where he is. He's still coming. Or if he's just tracking back and forth. I don't know. I wish this thing was in here so that way I can actually just go right there and it wouldn't be just as good. Let's see. Let's go out here. Interesting. I think he was lost or something. Let's see. Why should he continue to go up here? We'll go for about like 2.5 and then 1 before we head in. 1.5 and then we start heading in. It's a very light, it's a light snow. It's not a very light snow, it's not a light steady. It's a light snow. I can see us probably getting, if we can see some intensity pick up here, probably 5 centimeters by 7-ish. I don't think we'll get even close to 10, that's for darn sure, based off the start. It looks at the intensity, but yeah, 5 centimeters I see. Very possible before, well, you know what, let's just put it this way, before I leave for work. I'm not particularly sure when I want to. Doing some modernizing my life, getting that dash cam, and then I'm getting some smart lights for my room, but store I ordered them from for pickup says it's not. I have to wait till Christmas Eve, even though there's 8 in stock right now, so it's like, fuck. I want to leave early so that way I can go get them before work. But at the same time, I'm just, if it's going to be doing this, I don't really feel like I want to do that. It'd be different if I had a dash cam, of course, but yeah. Obviously, I'll put it to the test, and if it's any good, if it's like really good, as in like lightning, like thunderstorm fucking good, thunderstorm nighttime good, I might get myself a rear one too. Although I gotta keep in mind that I'm not having that car for much more longer. That's why I'm getting light bulbs instead of like just RGB strips and all that for my room, because at least that I can move. Because anything else, it's just, It's probably the cheapest way of going to get something of decent lighting. More cooler lighting, I guess. Portable. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's really changing much intensity. The flakes have gotten a little bit bigger, but the actual overall intensity hasn't really increased that much either. Yeah. At least I'm getting out here for it. Is kind of like where my happy place is right now. What I'm happy with right now. Of course. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Nope. Yeah. Skip. It's a taxi. Oh. It's a discontinued. I don't care. It's fucking whatever. 1.5 centimeters will come back out a little later tonight. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those, it's a very typical wet snow event. Hate it, but enjoy it, because it keeps the snow. I mean, I guess the snow streak's over, actually, technically, because we got rain before the snow. So, I don't know, I guess. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting what it looks like in the morning, though. Just fuck me. It's gonna be. This is more typical December stuff. I mean, more so in the fact that it's wet snow, but not in the way it happened at this time of the year, anyways. Hopefully, what we got for an Arctic blast isn't all we get for the season. Hopefully, we get one more. Typically do, although I doubt if any. I wish we got that later on in the season. Would have been so much more like of a nicer end. You know what I mean? We got the crappier one now, and well, I guess in a way it's good. Whatever. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight. Snowfall and radar updates. Big flakes. Jesus. These guys are chonkers. See what the radar looks like. I'll show you guys that. You can tell it's not covered up my footprints that much. It may be at like a centimeter or something now. What? I think this battery is fucked. It's not charging. I just fucking charged this thing. Unless it was disconnected, I guess. That's quite possible. Oh my god. It's just a slush ball there. I'll head back out a little bit later. Just have to get ready for bed and shit. Just to do measurements and all that. I'll see you guys a bit later on with some measurements. Yes. Alright, it is officially around freezing. So it's gonna be snow now for God knows how long. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's just slush. Gonna get some measurements here before snow compresses any further than it probably already has. Then we'll actually clear it off. So that's where we stand, 1 centimeter here, just over 1 centimeter. And then here we got, oh, this looks like it's gonna be a lot more. Or not. Focus. Yep, just over 1 centimeter here too. I mean, this seems like it's setting up for the driveway to be pretty much, you know, a centimeter as well. Jesus. So I did multiple areas here. I'm going to settle with, I'm going to do a little funny here. I'm going to go 1.2 as the official total because it's above point, it's definitely above 1 centimeter. But it's just a bit inconclusive, you know what I mean? Well, not a bit, it's just inconclusive. Yeah, let me restart this. But yeah, we'll go 1.2. I don't know how to put it, but it's just like, right now it just feels misty. Oh, shit. It just just feels misty. Like an eerily calm night. Like as if something big's gonna happen over the next like 24 hours or something. Dude, isn't it like steering off that way without unfocusing? But yeah, it's around freezing right now, so yeah. I'm gonna clear off my areas here. I'll leave the driveway because clearly I'll leave a few areas with its same amounts, that way I can compare. So like I'll clear off the yard waste bin and my snowboard there, and what I've been checking over there, but I'll leave like the recycling bin and garbage bin in that secondary area here, and then obviously the rest of the driveway. Yeah, honestly, if it gets fucking messed around with like the shoveled, I don't care. Like I said, I'm clearing it off anyways, so the rest of it clear off, so be it. On that note, I'll see you guys later on in the morning. Never over till it's over. We got more evidence. So I cleared off snowboards here. I'm slipping. That like piss poorly, but it's gonna be as good as it's gonna get. So here, here's what I'm saying. I think 1 1/4 the more we're looking at this. The more I'm measuring, the more I'm just thinking. I think 1 1/4 is probably the more likely scenario, yeah. The garbage bin here is going to be key. And we're not clearing these ones off. So, it's very inconsistent though, that's the issue I'm having. See? It all depends. See? Give me a second. 1 1/4 here as well. And then to finish her off, car is what? Considering this is on a slant. Alright, final total. 1 1/4. Yep. Just trying to see. Yeah, nice. Yeah, we'll settle. Okay, so final total 1 1/4 centimeters. So I cleared off that, the garbage bin, the snowboard, and yeah, in case anything happens between now and the time I leave. I mean, when I checked my 2 areas, I went 1.2, so I'll check the photos again just to be on the safe side. Yeah. But most were above 1 centimeter anyways, so yeah, so The fresh airs will be the... Nice. Hit the camera on the side, did a little thingy-majiggy, and I lost all the footage I had. I just recorded. Nice. Stuck leaving now. You guys are running away. There. Oh, Jesus. It's just an inch. Just inches of the... It's just half the fucking snow is slush, so half it melted. Froze into it. Ice. Let's get out of here before I'm late for work. This is a time where I wish I had my dash cam. Jesus Christ. Instead of doing what I just did. The road's a fucking nightmare. Right now, Jesus Christ. Well, here's the morning update. So 6% chance of rain showers or flurries. It's currently raining. And then tonight, periods of rain mixed with snow. Tomorrow, periods of rain mixed with snow, ending in the afternoon, late in the afternoon. And then cools down a little bit, and then we got some 6% chance of flurries all day Thursday. Holds up there. Scroll it down, and then it's just snow there on Friday. And after that, it dries up and stays on more average side. Well, really, from Thursday onward, it kind of sticks around the average. And then we got the radar. Definitely not snow. And then the weather network is just one section here. Underneath that, so this is the last half of the 7 day there. Close to 5 centimeters on the 6th, and then 1 to 3 down on the 7th. On that note, I'll get a bit of footage walking in and how crappy it looks, and leave it at that. On that note, I will see you guys later on today. Well, then. And then later on today. Slush, slush, slush. Nothing but slush. What the hell happened to that? Oh, they must have taken it out, sorry. Like a bunch of trucks and shit during the holidays. Unfortunately. Disaster. It's 2 degrees right now. It's probably gonna get up to like 3 or 4. We'll do a better look later when I have both a proper camera, a proper charge, and a proper meal. I'll see you guys outside a little bit later on. Here's how the precept's been looking. I'm actually gonna restart that. Didn't stop when I wanted it to. Start, sorry. Kind of been having fun here. I just sitting under light rain all this time, and it's kind of been like a bit foggy even downtown. Got to show that when leaving for work. But it's like such a light precip, it's not gonna switch. I highly doubt it. I'll see you guys later on. The precip has been looking like since, well, I guess I showed you guys around like 9 o'clock. No. I don't remember. I don't care. Anyways, yeah, it's not snow, that's for sure. It's very close, but I don't think we'll get it. It's too light a precip compared to last night where it got heavy enough to transition. Tonight it's not. Nowhere near the same. But on that note, I will see you guys in the morning. Yeah. Cast update for the quote-unquote morning. Gains are very raining late this afternoon. Got a lot warmer than expected. 30% chance of showers now. Snow of 800 meters. I was initially expecting to be around 700, but 600, sorry, but yeah, that didn't really turn out. And then tonight, 30% chance of showers early this evening. Snow is near valley bottom. Doing such, they should drop down to the valley bottom by midnight, around midnight. And tomorrow we got a 70% chance of snow in the morning, with 70% chance of snow Thursday night, and then flurries Friday. Yeah, and then after that point, dries up. Dries up, stays on the colder side, but not overly. Radar. I'll just loop it once since it's on the lighter side. Yeah, nothing overly special. And then weather network. That. It's really blah, to be honest with you. I don't know why I'm really showing it. It's supposed to get dropped down to back around average. Get out of this 4 or 5 degree bullshit. Got up to actually as much as it got up to 6 degrees at my station, so fucking yeah. It's been on a slow decline since. But yeah. On that note, I will see you guys later on today. Yeah. Fucking bullshit. Oh, it's finally getting below fucking freezing after several days of it. Don't know where for a snow level. I don't think I will know until tomorrow. I don't really give too much of a shit to check. We've lost a lot of snow, that's all I really need to know. Well, if it's a lot or a little. There we go. If it's a lot or a little snow that we've lost, and I know it's a fucking lot. Got up to 6 degrees. Now it's, I don't know, with this breeze, I don't know, but the ground is freezing now, so it's gotta be, can't be much more than 2 degrees. Can't be, yeah, or shall I say 3 degrees. Can't be much more than 3.0, there we go. Jesus, just a matter of 4 days, 4 days ago was fucking just beautiful, perfect winter conditions. Now it's just fucked. Probably the camera won't be able to pick it up, but I think I will. Let's see. So I forgot this light was on. No, I still can't. I'm not gonna even try. I don't need to know. Like I said, all I need to know if it's a lot or a little lost. I can tell it's a fucking lot. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. After the New Year's, I'll end the video. Forecast update. That's all I gotta show. It's just this one here. So we got periods of snow beginning this afternoon. It's currently -7 at the airport, -6 here. I'm not exactly sure what it exactly is here, but and on my actual proper station, but nonetheless, it's very likely we'll get snow. Periods of snow ending late this evening. Fog patches developing late this evening, and then local amounts of 2 centimeters. Tomorrow we got snow beginning in the mornings, fog patches dissipating in the morning, another 2 to 4 centimeters there, And then Friday night periods of snow, and after that point it dries up, and we kind of just get kind of like no major storms or anything. Kind of like just if we get anything, it's gonna be maybe 2 to 4 centimeters of snow or rain or whatever. Snow more than likely. Nothing significant after this. Not like this is super significant, anyways, but even less significant than this. We'll see you guys a little bit later on, I guess. Oh shit. It is frozen. Everything's frozen. The front's where it's at here, but the car ain't much better here. Jesus. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, Jesus. Man alive. Just look at it glisten. It's just fucking. It's it is frozen. As in, like. Everything sounds like it's cracking frozen. -7. Oh. My car. Frozen. I'll see you guys later on today. Alright. Afternoon, okay. Whoa! Fuck, that was almost the fucking peak of my day. It's 0 right now. And you can see it's for, you know, snow or little to none. Yeah. What the hell happened? See that cedar there. Whatever. Yeah. See if we get some snow. Snow's right over there. So we'll see if we get anything out of it. But otherwise we're just showing around freezing. It's over there too. It's kind of like surrounding us really. This is like to the east, it's to the south, to the north, to the west. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh, lovely. Where's the 10 centimeter mark? Is that visible? No. 10 to 15 centimeters. But above 10. Lovely. Okay, I need to go inside. Oh, fuck. I need to get inside before I fucking pass out. Starting to snow as we speak. Appears of snow beginning of this evening and ending late this evening. 40% chance of snow before morning. Localized amounts of 2 centimeters. Got snow ending late in the morning, then cloudy with a 6% chance of flurries tomorrow with 2 centimeters, except 5 near West Kelowna and Peachland. And then we got a 40% chance of flurries Friday night, and then a 30% chance all day Saturday. After that point, it dries up at least for the New Year's Day. So, yeah. And then the radar. This is shows here. Yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight.